To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on the three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Swipe up to scroll down and find the Preferences section. Then select Privacy and Safety. Under the Security section, you will find the new update called Scam Detection. If you don't see it, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Now tap on it. Here you will see the option, Scam Detection in Chats. Simply toggle the switch on to enable the feature. From now on, Messenger will automatically scan your chats and send alerts if it detects suspicious messages that may be scams. This feature helps protect you from fraud by alerting you to potential scams in real time. So that's how you can enable scam detection in Facebook Messenger.